Hi guys, I'm gonna do my makeup today. The setup is really weird. I'm on my bed, literally you're perched up on my nightstand on this like lamp light thing, and I'm right by my window, so that's why the sun is like right there, and so if the lighting goes in and out, that is why. And it's on my phone obviously, but doing my makeup, I'm gonna film some more videos. So I was like, why not do my makeup in front of a camera? I might talk during this, I might not. I think I might do a voiceover, or just like input little things like, oh, I'm using that, I'm using that. So we'll see how this turns out. But let's just dive right in. So I'm gonna first go in with my foundation. So I need primer. I use the Mary Kay primer. I always use this. It's kind of like my go-to. So I think I've obviously used this a lot in like this channel. So, and then also I have this mirror. So that's what I'm looking into if you don't see me looking into the camera. And then next I'm gonna go in with my foundation. I always use Mary Kay foundation. They should sponsor me. Got this bad boy. And then there's no sun. Like what? This is weird. Okay. Did I just get like darker? Is this what this is? Me dark? And next, I just picked this up. I actually never had it before. It's the Tarte Shape Tape. It's actually still in the box. So we're gonna try this bad boy out. And obviously, you know of all like the raves about this concealer. So why can I not open this? But yeah, so I'm just trying this out. It's in the shade Deep. Yeah. So let's see if I like it or not. I don't really need. Sometimes I feel like I don't really need concealer because I don't need it. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with my powder. I use the MAC pressed powder, and it's in the shade Dark. I used highlighter on this brush before. No, I didn't. I was not that stupid. Am I that stupid? I think I'm that stupid. I think I'm not that stupid. Okay, well, you look very glowy. Kind of like that. And then I'm going with my bronzer. It's by Bare Minerals in the shade The High Dive. I've said this a billion times. You know what I use if you're not new here. Can I stop doing this peace sign? Like, can I not? Like, I'm an embarrassment to everyone. But look at my nails also. Like, I feel like I have actual, like, maybe ADHD because I lose focus a lot. Okay, moving on. What's next? Ooh, eyebrows. I'm not even in the camera. I'm doing eyebrows now. And you know I'm about to use Mary Kay Brow Wiz. My Brow Wiz, that's not Anastasia. I'm sorry. I'm using Mary Kay Brow Pencil. Then we use some brow gel to go over it. And then I'm gonna brows. I don't really put, for like every day, I really don't put like anything on my eyes. I just use bronzer and then just buff. Buff that shit all in. Blank. Ooh, mascara. So I'm just gonna curl my lashes. This mascara is like really old. It's practically done. I have a new one, but I'm just lazy. I don't want to get it and open it, so I have this one. And this is by Mary Kay. And then I'm gonna use some blush, and it's just a cream blush. I actually got it when I was in London, and it's by the brand xoxo. So I'm just gonna use my finger. And this is cute. She's cute. She's cute. Okay, so I have the Laura Geller highlighter palette. It's the High Def Glow Illuminator Duo Heart of Gold. There's a shimmer and a sparkle. But yeah, we're just gonna use some highlighter. It's one of my nose because that's all I do. And then I put my makeup Cupid's bow. And I do it like right here. Yes, so you'll see it now. I'm gonna use this lip oil. It's from London. I've been obsessed with it. It's like my go-to. And I already had lip balm before, so that's good. Little glosses on my lips, but this lip oil on. So good. Like, oh yes, and it's so glossy. We love it. And then next, I'm gonna use a setting spray. This is really done. It's done, but we're gonna keep using it until it's over. So let's remove these and. So this is my face. This is how it looks. Turned out pretty good. This video is literally 18 minutes long. What did I even do, bro? But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. You guys might see this. You guys might not. We don't know. But damn, I look good. Damn, I look good. The sun is just hitting me right. I'm sorry, but who are you? Who am I? Anyways, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.